Another question from the miscellaneous exercise. Using vectors, prove that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. We shall draw a semicircle. Now consider a semicircle centered at the origin. Let this point be A, this A dash, and a point on the semicircle is taken as P. Let OP be marked as vector R. We shall mark OA to be vector A. Then OA dash will be just negative A, because length OA is equal to length OA dash, and if OA is vector A, OA dash will be negative of vector A. Magnitude same, but direction just opposite. Now A dash P vector A dash P dot AP. We are considering A dash P dot AP. Now A dash P is vector R minus A. How? Position vector of the endpoint minus position vector of the initial point. Now AP, that is position vector of the endpoint minus position vector of the initial point. What is it equal to? This is R plus A into R minus A. Vector R plus vector A dot vector R minus vector A. that's equal to r dot r minus r dot a plus a dot r minus a dot a. Now r dot a plus a dot r. A dot r is the same as r dot a. Here it is with plus sign, here it is with minus sign. They got cancelled. That's equal to r dot r is just r square. A dot a is a square. But the length OP is the same as the length OA. Therefore, r square is the same as a square. That is equal to 0. Modulus A is equal to modulus R. Therefore, r square minus a square is equal to 0. A dash P dot AP becomes 0 when A dash P dot AP equals 0. The angle between A dash P and AP becomes 90 degree. Therefore, answer angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Once again, we shall consider a semicircle centered at the origin. Then OA is put as vector A. OA dash is put as negative vector A because length OA is equal to length OA dash. And if OA is marked to be vector A, OA dash naturally will be negative of vector A. Then a point P is taken on the semicircle. Then we consider the dot product of A dash P, this vector, and AP. A dash P is equal to R minus, R means position vector of P, minus position vector of A dash. That is R minus minus A dot AP is position vector of P minus position vector of A, that is R minus A. That is equal to R vector R plus vector A dot vector R minus vector A. On simplification, we get R square minus A square. But modulus of R and modulus of A, they are equal. Therefore, the dot product becomes 0. When the dot product of two vectors becomes 0, the angle between them must be 90 degree. That means angle A dash PA, this angle becomes 90 degree. That is, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree.